Well, okay, it's a beautiful, sunny, late February day, and I'm out at my favorite little pond where I videotape the heron. And today I'm going to install a wood duck box that I just built. It's a big, monstrous sized box compared to so many other types of bird boxes like the bluebird boxes, but this is what they like. And I also brought a very stout metal pole, which is what I'm going to mount this box on. Just for laughs, you can see the remnants of my blind I used for videotaping the heron this past summer. So with that, I'm going to begin setting up the box. So I've already cut the hole. I did that last weekend, and I've checked the depth several times. The ice is over a foot thick. It's unbelievable. So the first thing I'll do is begin to drive this pole down into the substrate and hope that I can get it deep enough that I don't hit any rocks or anything like that, so that I can mount the box and the pole will support it and hopefully not end up leaning way forward. So that's what we'll begin to do now. Oh, geez. Oh, there we go. Oh. I think that's pretty good. That was easier than I expected. All right, so now I've got these clamps. These are pipe clamps, and I'm gonna thread them on through this. So you should be able to see that. Now I'm just going to tighten them up. And I brought my tool. Whoa, whoa. Let's see, I brought a wrench with me. I want this to come all the way up. Come on, there we go. Now this is going to take a little bit of time here to tighten it up real good. Boy. I think I'm all set. Yeah, it's grabbing now, so that's good. Okay, that's pretty tight. So now I'll get the bottom clamp and then I'll put on, I gotta adjust the guard. Predator guard fits down here. So let me just back up for a minute, and this is my 7th wood duck box that I built. Built 6 of them last year, and I put them out around Billerica, but they're all attached to trees which overlook water. And that's like the second best place to site a box. The best way, the most effective way from what I've read, is to put a box in the water. So that's why I'm out here on the ice on a beautiful February afternoon. I've got this box. It's going to be, it's about, I don't know, it's four feet off from the shore. So it'll be over water throughout the year, and certainly during the nesting period. Okay, that's not going anywhere. All right, and you know, it has a lean this way, so that's good because eventually it's gonna, because of the weight of this box, fairly heavy, it's gonna tilt in that direction. So we got it clamped onto the pole. The pole is anchored several feet into the mud. Now I'm just going to adjust this predator guard. Okay, now I'll attach the cone-shaped structure that is a predator guard. This is the main predator of these birds are raccoons, and I've recorded the presence of raccoons along the shore here several times, so I know they're out there. So come on. There we go. All right, so I think in the springtime the water will come up a little higher, but I think this will work out, hopefully. Now, the last thing I need to do is to put shavings in. The wood ducks like to have shavings in their nests, and they don't bring the shavings in, they have to be there. Okay, that's a little tight. So I built this little with the door on the side so that we can do maintenance, clean it out at the end of the year, add shavings. If it was on land, I could check the status of eggs or nestlings or whatever, but I won't be able to check this one. Okay. All right, I think this should be, written on here, home sweet home or welcome, something, right? Something to draw their attention, make them feel comfortable, and hope the heck that they use it. I haven't had a successful brood yet. I haven't had any last year out of it. I had 6 boxes out there. I put them out late in the season. I think that's why they weren't used, but I'm hopeful this year. Optimistically, cautiously optimistic.